Sariki Abungwo, and I am the founder of Blesatech Consultancy Services. And what we do is we help coaches, consultants, and small business owners like you to attract, convert, and to retain more clients by using my 6-step proven marketing systems so that they can serve the people they've been called to serve and win more business consistently, predictably, and also profitably. So I'm going to be going and talking about giving an investor pitch today. And what we're saying is that there are millions of coaches, millions of consultants, millions of business owners. They have the potential, they have great service, they have great products. But the problem is that even though they have those great services and products, they are not really having those clients. They are not able to attract the ideal clients which they want to sell and which they want to serve to. And the global market, the coaching industry, has got over 20 billion in the market. And this continues to grow year after year. But the big problem is that these coaches, these businesses are not able to get the right clients to get the right business. And there's that opportunity here. Now, the vision which we have and we are putting forward is that we want to unlock this market by giving these coaches the automation, the AI, the tools that they'll be able to take and go to the market and win more businesses. So with that, our mission is that this is really going to help people. It's going to help families. It's going to help anyone who has a message, who has a product that wants to take into the market and serve the people they've been called to serve. Next slide, please. And so we have a solution for the marketplace. We have a framework which we think and which we believe that is going to help people, is going to help these businesses. And our framework is built on the 6R. It's the Impact Infinity System. This is a 6-step framework which is going to help businesses to build a reliable system that is going to be consistently delivering systems, consistently delivering their products. The second part of the system is reputation. Every business needs to have a good reputation base. This is going to help them to have a trust relationship and trust building with their customers. And then readiness. You can't go to the market without having your products, having everything ready. So when customers come to look for you, how are you reaching out to them? How are you being ready for business? The fifth one is on reach. This is now reaching to the market because you can't really scale with the mess. And the fifth one, there's resell. This is upsell, optimization, and remarketing, getting more clients, getting more business over and over. So we believe and we know that this system, the Impact Infinity Systems, is actually going to help small business owners to start and grow and take their business forward. And we have 3 levels into this. We have the launch circle, the growth circle, and the elite circle. So every business owner, whether they are starting, whether they want to grow, or whether they want to scale, we are going to cater for them. Next slide, please. And so you might be wondering, but why this system? We've been featured on various media platforms. We've been featured on Forbes. We've been featured on Yahoo Finance. We've been featured on Business Insider, many of these platforms. And we've been pushing out this message widely. And so our mission really is to help these business owners, is to help coaches who have that message, who have that product to serve the clients which they've been called to serve and to keep on winning more business, but they don't have the things to push forward. And our package, our margin package is between £3,000 to £12,000. And this is going to also be added a recurring revenue because we're also going to be supplying a SaaS platform. So every month, even though they pay this £3,000 to £12,000 package to set up, the clients are going to be paid monthly. So it could be from £97 to £497 per month. And this is going to have a strong retention from what we've seen. 80% of our customers, of our clients, they've renewed. Next page. Now, the Edge and Scalability Plan. So what we do is we don't just teach how to do it. We also install. So for those clients, for those businesses who want a done-for-you system, who want everything done for them, we can do that for them so that they can build their business consistently, predictably, and also profitably. So we have what we call the BlesaHub Platform. This is kind of a platform that puts everything, consolidates all these tools in a one business platform so that you can go to the market, win more business, and keep on delivering to your clients. And there's a 60% faster delivery on this. There's also a 3 times profit margin on this product, and it's a global scale. We're looking to take this worldwide. Currently, we are in the UK market. We have some clients in the US, and we're also looking to take this over to Africa, to all across Europe and all across the globe on a subscription model. And so the ask and the vision to investors, for any of them in the room, is once you invest in us, what we are going to do is 40% of that is going to go to tech development. We're going to keep on building the platform. 35% is going to go towards marketing, because the more we spread our message and what we do, we keep on getting more business, which means more money. 25% is going to go towards operations. We want to build a team. We want to get more client success, so we need to invest into that. So over the next 5 years, what we are planning to do is to build and help 10,000 entrepreneurs so that they can be able to grow their business, take the products which they have, and keep on serving the people they've been called to serve, to win more business, win more money, and why not? Why traveling around, enjoying the life which they want to enjoy and doing what they love best. And so I invite you to join the movement if you want to be a part of us, because we are not just building a company, we are building an infrastructure. What we are doing is the systems, the growth, the purpose. We are building a legacy. We are building something which is going to help and change the world for the better. And if you're in the room, if you're a business owner, a small business owner, if you're a coach, if you're a consultant, next slide, and you want to see how coaches and unknown coaches are attracting high-paying clients and building a 6-figure income business in less than 90 days without hiring a huge team, without also needing a traditional agency, then I invite you to join our free web class, which is going to take you through this. It's just about 15 minutes. It's going to take you through this and show you what is being done. So thank you for listening to me, and I welcome any questions and any feedback. Thank you.